We are here today to discuss the swing stage and also the power climber daily inspection. First off, you want to inspect the wire rope, the rigging, the platform, and hoist to make sure they are in a proper working order and are not damaged. Start with the pins, the connecting pins for the frame, upper and lower. As you're walking down, you want to inspect the frame too. Check for any broken welds. Also check the platform for any holes. Working your way to the motor, want to check the stirrup. Also check the connecting bolts. That they're tight. Specified to use a grade 5 bolt with another nylon washer built into it. Continuing down the back side, you want to again double check the power supply. Working your way to the transformer box, and this time is when you want to connect it. Working your way back, before you get on the rig, you got to make sure all the power supply is connected, both the transformer and the motor. Once you're on the rig, you want to make sure you connect your lanyard to the rope grab, put it up arm's length away. Now, the daily test requirements for the PC1 is the following tests must be performed at the start of each work shift. If the hoist fails in any test, do not use it until it's repaired. Testing the secondary overspeed brake. While powering the hoist up and down approximately 3 feet, you want to look through the notch window in the access door. Make sure the overspeed roller with the red stripe is turning with the wire rope. Once that's complete, go ahead and put the platform back down on the ground. At this time, you want to de-reeve the wire rope. Pulling the rope all the way out. In part of testing the secondary overspeed brake, you want to reinsert the wire rope about 12 inches into the hoist. Holding the wire rope firmly, pull it out quickly. If the brake is working correctly, it will grab and hold the wire rope in less than 4 inches. Repeat this test at least 3 times. If the brake does not work correctly, return the hoist to your power climber dealer or to the office. Do not use the hoist. Tag it out, not serviceable. Reset the overspeed brake. Now, next step is testing the manual emergency down brake. Push the up control button and raise the platform approximately 3 feet. While powering down, push the manual emergency brake button. The hoist should stop quickly. Release the no power emergency descent lever to make sure the overspeed secondary brake has locked into the suspension rope. Next step is resetting the manual overspeed secondary brake. Power up a few inches. At the same time, turn the reset knob clockwise until the reset lever engages. If there's not enough traction to raise the hoist, pull downward on the tail line to increase traction. Next step is testing the emergency power cutoff button. While running the hoist in either direction, press the emergency power off cutoff button. The hoist should not run in either direction. To reset, pull the button out. Now, testing the no power emergency descent. Raise the hoist approximately 3 feet. Disconnect the power supply. During this test, or when you are actually using the emergency descent, carefully pull out the no power emergency descent lever, making sure the hoist does not overspeed. The hoist should descend slow at a slow, controlled speed. If the hoist travels faster than 35 feet per minute, the emergency descent system is not working properly and should not be used. The final step in the PC1 motor inspection is you want to make sure there is slack in the cable and to gently shake the motor to make sure it's connected firmly to the transmission. If there's any movement in this motor, contact your supervisor and tag it out immediately. If everything checks out okay, you'll then go to your scaffold inspection tag, mark it ready for use, and you're ready to begin the workday.